Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video, we are talking about two-dimensional shapes. To talk about two-dimensional shapes, we need to talk about polygons. What is the meaning of a polygon? Polygon is a closed shape formed from three line segments or more, and we have a finite line segment. Each line segment is called the side of a polygon, and two line segments intersect at one point, this point defined by the vertex of the polygon. So we have a line segment which is the side of the polygon, and two line segments intersect at one point, which is defined by the vertex. If you look at any polygon, you will find that the number of sides equal number of vertices equal number of angles. To say that this shape is called a polygon, we have some conditions. At the first, it must be closed. For any shape is not closed, it's not a polygon. For example, we have a shape here, number 1. If you look at number 1, it's not closed, so it's not polygon. Any shape contain curve like number 2, number 3, and number 4, it's not polygon. Any shape has extension from one of the sides, it's not polygon, like shape number 5. If you look at shape number 6, you will find that the two sides intersect at more than 2 points. Any side must intersect at only 2 points, at the two end points. But if you have here A, B, C, D, they intersect at the point E. A, C, and B, D intersect at the point A, C, and E. We have three intersections at only one line segment. For each line segment, it must intersect at only 2 points, at the start and at the end of a line segment. But if we have intersection between the start and the end, it means this shape is not a polygon. We have two different types of polygons. The first one is called convex and the second one is called concave. How we can differentiate between them? If you can draw any straight line and all of the vertices of the polygon lies on one side of this straight line, so this shape will be convex. But if you can draw a straight line and divide the vertices of the polygon, one at the right and the other at the left, so this shape will be concave polygon. Now with the name of the polygon. The name of the polygon defined by the number of sides. If we have 3 sides, so it will be triangle. If we have 4 sides, it will be quadrilateral. 5 side, pentagon. 6 side, hexagon. 7 side, heptagon. 8 side, octagon. 9 side is nonagon. 10 side is decagon. And that's the name of the polygon according to the number of its sides. We have a new definition for this lesson. It's called regular polygon. What is the meaning of regular polygon? Regular polygon is any polygon that all sides are equal in length and all angles are equal in measure. You can find the regular polygon for the triangle in equilateral triangle. You will find that all sides are equal in length and all angles are equal in measure. You can find in quadrilateral for the square. All sides of the square are equal in length and all angles are equal in measure. But for any other polygon, we just add regular before the name. So it will be a regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular octagon, regular nonagon. And that's how we can differentiate between any polygon and the regular polygon. In this problem, we need to name each polygon according to the number of its sides. Then we need to classify whether this polygon is convex or concave. Then it's regular or non-regular. So for question number 1, we have 6 sides, so it will be hexagon. Now we need to check if this polygon is convex or concave. So we can draw a line passing through two consecutive vertices. You will find that some of the vertices at the left of the line and the others at the right of the line. So it will be concave. If you look at the angle, you will find that they are different in measure, so it will be irregular. And number 2, it's formed from 8 sides, so it will be octagon. Because if you draw any straight line passing through any two consecutive vertices, you will find that all of the vertices of the polygon at one side of this line, so it will be convex. If you look at the side, you will find that all of them are equal in length, and all of the angle are equal in measure, so it will be a regular polygon. In this part of the lesson, we need to find the perimeter and the area of each of the following. So for question number 1, we have a rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? The perimeter of the rectangle equals length plus width, all multiplied by 2. So it will be equals 3.2 plus 2.1, all multiplied by 2. Then we can use a calculator. By using the calculator, we will find that 3.2 plus 2.1 multiplied by 2 is equals 53 over 5, which equals 10.6. So the answer will be equals 10.6 centimeters. Now we need to find the area. The area is equal length multiplied by width, which equals length is 3.2 times 2.1. 3.2 times 2.1 equals 6.72. So the answer now will be 6.72 centimeters squared. For the perimeter, it will be length unit. For the area, it will be squared unit. Now we need to find the circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle which equals 2 pi r. So it will be 2 times pi times r, which equal to 3. So the answer now will be equals 6 pi. Now we need to find the area. The area of the circle is equals by r to the power 2. So by multiplied by r, which equals 3 to the power 2. So the answer now would be equals 9 by. For the first one will be inch, the circumference is inch, and the area is a squared inch. Find the perimeter. The shape that we have is rectangle. So it will be, the perimeter will be 6 plus 5.5 all multiplied by 2. Length plus width times 2. So we have 6 plus 5.5 multiplied by 2. The answer now will be equals 23. So it will be equals 23 feet. To find the area will be equals 6 times 5.5. So the answer is equals 33 squared feet. In number 4, we need to find the circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle defined by times d, or 2 by r. If the given the radius, we'll use 2 by r. If the given the diameter, we'll use by times d. So it will be equals by times 6.2, which equals 6.2 by. Now we need to find the area. To find the area, it will be by r to the power 2, which equals by times 3.1, because the diameter is 6.2, so the radius will be equals 3.1. So 3.1 to the power 2, 9.61 by. The unit now is centimeter and the area will be centimeter squared. Now we need to find the perimeter of the triangle. The perimeter of the triangle is the sum of the side length. So it will be 9.5 plus 9.5 plus 10.2, which equals 9.5 plus 9.5 plus 10.2, which equals 29.2 inches. Now to find the area will be equals half times base times height. The base is equals 10.2 and the height will be equals 8. So the most important part in this lesson that you need to memorize all of the formula. If you memorize all of the formula, it will be easy. Just by using substitution, you can solve. So now by using calculator, we'll find the area. 1 over 2 multiplied by 10.2 times 8, which equals 40.8. So the answer now would be 40.8 squared inch.